In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change captain in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA. Once you're over here, provide your credentials and log into your account. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find this drop down for Fantasy and Gaming. Click on that. Now different options will appear. Click on the option Fantasy. Now go ahead and click on the option My Team given over here. From here, you are able to manage your team, view your players, check your leagues, and access all the features needed to play the game. After you have set up your team, navigate to your squad and find the player you would like to make captain. Simply click on that player and select the captain option. If you'd rather assign them as your vice captain, you can choose the vice captain option instead. Once you are done, click on the option Confirm. With that, your changes will be updated. So this way, you can easily change captain in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.